All right, so maybe you're one of those people, been eyeing that basement, thinking, could this be a rental suite someday?
Right.
Maybe you've even gone as far as actually getting a couple of quotes to finish the basement.
Absolutely.
But then you saw the price tag and kind of went, whoa, okay, maybe not.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? The Canadian government just dropped some news.
They did.
That could actually make that dream a whole lot closer than you think.
I know this is a big deal. So on October 8th, 2024, just recently, the Department of Finance Canada released a backgrounder.
Okay.
All about changes to mortgage insurance rules, specifically to make adding a secondary suite easier for homeowners.
And this is what's really cool about this. It's not just about getting a loan after you've already built the suite.
Right.
This is like, hey, we're going to help you use mortgage insurance to fund the building of the suite itself.
Which is huge because, I mean, you and I both know that getting financing for these projects, especially if you're talking about a renovation, not building a whole new place, has always been a major roadblock for people.
It's been a big barrier to entry.
It has.
So let's unpack this a little bit. Who exactly are these changes for who qualifies for this?
So first of all, you have to own your property.
Okay.
You or a close relative has to be living in one of the units.
So you can't just have like a vacant property and be like, I'm going to return this into a duplex.
It's about increasing housing supply, long-term rentals, not just making money on Airbnbs.
Right, exactly. This is for people who are going to stay in their property and provide a long-term rental. Now let's talk about the numbers because this is
a big deal.
This is where people are going to want to grab their calculator.
Yeah.
You could qualify for up to 90% financing with these new rules.
Okay.
90%, that means you could start your renovation.
With 10% down.
With 10% down.
Which is amazing.
Amazing.
Way more achievable.
Way more achievable
and you can amortize it over 30 years.
Right.
So your monthly payments are lower.
Yeah. So dust off those spreadsheets, folks. See if this works for you because
it could be big.
It could be big, but here's the thing.
Yeah.
This is a federal change, right? This is great news coming from the
feds.
Feds.
Yeah.
But local zoning laws, they still apply.
They do.
They can still.
They have the final say.
Yeah. Your city, your municipality, they get to decide what's permitted.
Exactly.
So this is important to keep in mind.
But it's interesting because we talk about this Housing Accelerator Fund.
Yes.
And how that's giving incentives to these municipalities to maybe change these zoning laws, make it a little bit easier.
And make it a little bit more flexible.
To actually get these.
Exactly. To get these secondary suites up and running.
It's exactly.
Okay. This is coming into effect January 2025.
Beginning of the year.
We've got a little bit of time.
Yeah.
What should our listeners be doing between now and then to get prepared?
3 things.
Okay.
First, check your local zoning.
Okay.
What are the rules right now?
What's allowed, what's not allowed?
Exactly.
Okay.
Second, get some quotes.
Okay.
Find out how much this is actually going to cost, because that's going to impact what kind of financing you need.
Absolutely.
And then number 3, once January rolls around, start talking to lenders who are familiar with these programs.
Yes.
Get the ball rolling.
Don't go to just any lender. Go to someone who knows about these programs.
Yeah, find an expert.
Yeah, this is such good news.
It is.
Heading into 2025, this is a chance for you to maybe unlock some serious potential in your property.
Yeah, why not?
That you never thought was possible.
Totally.
And not only that, you're also
helping.
Contributing to a solution.
Yeah, right.
Right, by creating more rental supply.
Which we desperately need.
Which we need something to think about, right?
Lots to think about.
Lots to think about.
Yeah.